Getting started with BusinessLocator. Welcome to this quick tour showing you around BusinessLocator. Please note, this shows the beta version of the platform. New features will be added soon, and you may encounter some bugs. We appreciate all the feedback you can give us, and all you need to do is click the feedback tab right here. All right, let's get started. The first step in creating your business locator will be to list your business locations. To do this, you can either add them manually by using the Add Location button or go through the Import tool. To use the Import tool, you'll need to have your locations listed in a CSV or JSON file, and they must have a header row and list the point coordinates. If you just want to poke around and test the tool, feel free to click the sample link here to load some sample points. If you want to upload a CSV file, you can also use the template shared here to see which fields can be included and how to fill them. Once your CSV file is ready, click here to upload, select the file, check your data, and confirm. And there you go. All your points are now placed on your map and listed here in the left panel. If you have a lot of locations, you can search for the one you need using the search bar right here. If you need to edit any information, you can do so by clicking on the relevant location, which will open this panel on the right. Then, click on the small pencil icon of the field you want to edit, make your edits, and click Save. And to delete a location completely, just click on the Delete button right here. If you want to move a location, you have two options. You can drag it manually like this, or enter the new address here and confirm. Now, let's move on to the base maps section. This section allows you to select the base map you want. There are 5 default base maps to choose from: streets, sunny, terrain, light, and dark. Right now, you have a limited choice, but we are working on a map editor so that you can customize all the elements of your map to your brand colors. So stay tuned. The next section is about markers. These are the icons used to illustrate your locations. You have the default pin-shaped icons, but you can replace them with custom icons. The first icon is the default icon. They are all displayed like this if no location is selected. And this one is the selected icon, so when a user clicks on a location. It is also customizable. If you've tried out a few custom icons but you're just not satisfied, you can always revert to the default icon by clicking here. Below, we have the Simplify feature. But what is the Simplify feature? Well, by activating this option, the markers are automatically simplified at a certain zoom level, which means that the icons turn into colored dots like this. This is useful when you have a high density of locations and you want to make your map more readable and visually appealing for your customers. You also have the option of choosing the colors of the dots. The next section lets you finalize your business locator. Preview, publish, and integrate your business locator. The draft version displays your business locator with the latest changes you made to it. So if the draft is not published, these changes will not be visible on the embedded version on your website. If you're ready to publish them, then just click here and submit. The published version will then appear updated in this tab. Are you ready to share your business locator with the rest of the world? Just go to the Embed tab and copy and paste the code snippet into your website. If you're not sure how to do that, you can click here to find the relevant tutorial for your platform. Once the code is embedded, your business locator should appear on your website and start boosting your online visibility. To wrap up this tour of your business locator account, let's quickly go over the 4 remaining sections. Statistics. This section is not yet available, but will display important information about the visibility and use of your business locator by your customers. Your account. You can edit your personal information, change your plan once you get off the beta version, and soon see your planned consumption. On to the last 2 icons. This one is used to change the interface language. At the moment, we offer only English and French. And this icon here allows you to log out of BusinessLocator. And there you go. Please do not hesitate to give us your feedback by clicking the feedback tab right here. Thank you for watching this video, and see you soon on BusinessLocator.